Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for Spotify users: how to listen to your favorite tracks offline. Whether you're on a long flight, hiking in the mountains, or just in a spotty signal area, this feature lets you jam out without interruptions. But before we jump in, a quick heads up: this is only available for Spotify Premium subscribers. If you're still on the free plan, it's worth upgrading for perks like this. Trust me, your playlists will thank you. First things first, make sure you have the Spotify app installed on your phone or tablet and that you're signed in with your premium account. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open the app and head to the Home tab or use the search bar to find the songs, albums, or playlists you want to download. Maybe it's that epic workout playlist or your go-to road trip album. Pick whatever floats your boat. Step 2. Once you've selected your content, look for the download button. It's usually a little green arrow icon right next to the play button or at the top of the album page. Tap it, and Spotify will start downloading the files. You'll see a progress bar, so grab a coffee while it works its magic. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the content, this might take a minute or two. After it's done, go to your library tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find a Downloaded section where all your offline goodies are stored. Step 3. To listen offline, simply select a downloaded song or playlist and hit play. Spotify will automatically switch to offline mode, so you won't use any data. Pro tip: make sure your app is updated, and keep an eye on your device's storage. Downloads can add up. One more thing. Downloaded content is good for up to 30 days, but you'll need to reconnect to the internet periodically to refresh it. It's a smart way to save battery and data while keeping the vibes going. There you have it. Listening to Spotify offline is easier than you think. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite offline playlist. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.